Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and safe also. Okay, my dear lovely kids. So, which period is this? This is your English period, and I am your English ma'am. Yes or no? Yes. So, let us start our class. First tell me what is the name of your school? So what you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Very good. And okay, next question. In which class you are studying? So how you will say? I am studying in class nursery. Very good. Okay, now one more question. Where do you live? I live in Khargon. Where do you live? I live in Khargon. Very good. Clap all of you. Very good. So nice. Okay. My dears, we have learned many letters. We have learned formation of many letters. You know na? We have done formation of M, A, X, B, P, R, V, M, N. Okay. So today we will learn formation of letter U. Formation of letter U. Look here. Which letter is this? U. And formation of letter D. Okay. We will learn today. We will learn formation of letter U and letter D. Before learning this, let's revise the rhyme. Okay. Let's revise the rhyme. Which rhyme we have run? Humpty Dumpty. Yes. So let us start. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses and all the kingmans could not put Humpty together again. Once again we will say, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses and all the kingmans could not put Humpty together again. Very good. Okay, now today we will learn letter U. Which letter? U. How you will write letter U? You will start. Look here. This is your right hand. First what you have to do? You have to write standing line, then curve, and then up standing line. Okay? Standing line, curve, and up standing line. Like this you have to write letter U. Which letter? U. Like this. Standing line, then one curve and up. Which letter is this? U. U for? Tell me. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for up. U for up. U for up. Okay. U for under. This is a table and one cat. One cat is under the table. Okay. Cat. U for umbrella. U for up. U for under. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for unicorn. You have seen the unicorn? Yes. U for unicorn. U for unicycle. Okay. These are the things. You start from letter U. You have to draw the picture. Okay. And color it. What you will do? Draw the picture and color it. Okay. Now we will start to write letter U. How you have to write? First look here, standing line, then curve and then up. Like this. You have to write letter U. What you have to write? Letter U. Look here, dots were given like this. Okay, dots were given like this to you. So what you have to do? Look here, like this. First you have to write standing line, then curve, curve, then a standing line. Like this you have to write letter U in your notebook. Where? In your notebook. Okay, write neatly and properly in your notebook. Where? In your notebook, neatly and properly. Okay. So, let us start to write letter U. Let us start to write letter U. First, with the help of your mama will first put the lines. You have to trace it. Okay. First we will trace. After that we will start writing letter U on the dots. Look here. Standing line, then curve and up. U. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for up, U for under, U for uniform, U for unicorn. Again. Standing line, trace on the line properly and neatly. Okay. U. What is the name of this letter? U. What is the name of this letter? U. Okay. Again, you will start writing standing line, then curve and up. Which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. Okay. Again. Look here again. Look here again. Trace the line. Standing line. Curve and up. U. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for up, U for under, U for uniform. Okay, again we will write standing line, curve and up. U. Which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. Again. Here, standing line, curve and up. Which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for up, U for under, U for uniform. Now we will write on the dots. Look here. Here. 4 dots were given to you. How many dots? 4 dots. So 2 dots on the upper line and 2 dots on the base line. Okay. Where? Look here. 2 dots on upper line and 2 dots on base line. So what we will do? We will write letter U. Look here of you. You will have to start from upper dots. You have standing line, then curve, curve and then up. Okay. Like this you have to write letter U. But write neatly. Here should be curve. Okay. Here should be a curve. Again standing line, then curve, 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 up. U. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for uniform, U for up, U for under. Okay. Again, look here. Standing line, then curve, and then up. U. Which letter is this? U. We will again write on the dot. Now we will put only 2 dots. Now you have to write only in 2 dots. I don't have space, but you have space in your notebook. So you have to write one full page in your notebook. What you have to do? You have to write one full page in your notebook. Okay? Look here. Standing line till down, then curve, 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 and up. Which letter will form? U. Which letter will form? U. U for umbrella, U for up, U for under, U for uniform, U for unicorn, U for unicycle. Okay, again down, then curve, 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 up. So which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for up, U for under, U for uniform, U for unicorn. Okay. Again, we will write standing line, then curve, 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 standing line, and then curve. Don't write out of the line. Okay. Don't write out of the line. So which letter will form? U. Which letter is this? U. Okay. Write neatly and draw the pictures and color it. Draw the pictures and color it. Okay. So today we have learned to write letter U. Which letter is this? U. Now we will learn to write letter D. Which letter? D. D for doll, D for door. Again we will learn to write letter D. Which letter? D. Okay. So that you remember to write. So that you remember to write. Okay. Let us start. Let us start writing. Ready? We have already learned to write letter R and D. Yes or no? Okay. So, today we will do practice. What we will do? We will practice. Okay. So, today we will write some letter doing practice in your notebook. In your notebook. Okay. So, we have learned to write letter A. In one page you have to write this letter U, and in second page you have to write some letters like this. We have learned to write letter A. We have learned to write letter A. Then B. Okay. Then after that C. We have learned to write letter all this A, B and C. So one page you have to write like this. Okay, Mama will put dot and you have to write in your notebook. Okay, Mama will put the dot and you have to write in your notebook. One page of letter U and one page of letter A, B and C. Look here. How you will write A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. A for apple, A for arrow, A for aeroplane, A for alligator. Okay. Then standing line, half curve and again half curve. Which letter is this? B. B for ball. B for boy. B for bus. B for blue color. Okay. Then we will write letter C. How you will write letter C? You will start from upper dot to second dot. Okay. Make a half curve. What you will do? You will make a half curve like this. Okay. So which letter is this? Letter C. Which letter is this? Letter C. C for cup. C for cat. C for children. C for cup. Okay. Again in next line, Mama will put dot and you will write neatly. You will write neatly in your notebook. Okay. So how you will write letter A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. Okay, then we will write after A, which letter will come? B. Which letter will come? B. How you will write B? Standing line. How you will write B? First standing line, then half curve and again half curve. Which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. B for ball. You play with ball. B for boy. B for bus. B for book. B for book. Okay. Next. Look here. How you will write letter C? Half curve. Start from here, then curve and then to the dot. Okay. So half curve, letter C. C for cup, C for car, C for cat. What does cat say? Meow, meow. What does cat say? Meow. Okay, look here again. We will write, Mama will put dot and you will write in your notebook. Okay, this is your verb. This is your verb. Okay, we have learned formation of letter U and we have done practice of letter A, B and C. Okay, again slanting line and then sleeping line. Slanting line and then sleeping line. So which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for alligator. Okay. Then next, standing line, curve and then curve. So which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. B. B for ball. B for bus. B for book. B for boy. B for blue color. Again we will write letter C. Look here. Curve. How you will write curve? So which letter is this? C. Which letter is this? C. C for cup. C for car. C for cat. C for cup. Okay. So do practice at your home. Letter A, B, C. A, B, C. Say and write. How you will write? Say and write. And this is letter U. You have to say and write. U for umbrella, up, under. Uniform. We wear uniform when we go to school. Yes, it's uniform. And unicorn, unicycle. Okay. So practice this letter at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Miss you, my dears.